What's going on, Mixon Nights? I am Nathen Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video we are going to do some HIIT training. So it's going to be a full body workout, so make sure you have a mat, some water available, and let's just start it. Today we're going to start off with the double jump. So make sure you follow me, feet shoulder width apart. Let's go. Alright, so double jumps. What's going on, everyone? I'm doing this voiceover right now because the wind was so high. But anyway, double jumps. Alright, we're starting now. 20 seconds on the clock. It's a very complicated workout, but very easy. Okay, so you try to stay on your toes the whole entire time, engaging the core, and use your arms to lift yourself up on that second jump. You're almost kind of like floating in the air. Now remember, we're just warming up. This is the fast feet next. Okay, so I want you to listen to this sound when we get very started. You hear that? Your feet are just moving as fast as possible. This is going to help activate the glutes, also your quads, and then your calves. Okay, so it's almost like a superset to that workout. If you want to make things a little bit easier, start swaying your arms. That way it can look a little bit more natural. Split squats. Now with the split squats, you're pretty much getting air between your toes and jumping from one lunge to the next. All right, engaging the core, you're gonna keep your chest up high. This is gonna be really good for your gluteus maximus, so your butt, also great for your core and of course your quads. Okay, so if you're trying to build those leg muscles, this is the way to start it. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart. All right, in and out. This is going to be awesome for your core. It's going to be awesome for your quads, your shoulders, your triceps. You're really going to feel this in your quadricep muscles, so your thighs. All right, so it's really going to burn there. It's really going to burn on your shoulders too as well. I like to keep my shoulders over my wrists. It does make things a lot more easier. You really want to practice that and keep your head in a neutral position. This means you're looking down. Tuck jumps. Okay, if you can't do this, you don't have to jump as high as I am, but just do a nice little jump. You want to get air between your toes. You want to challenge yourself, okay? So this is going to encompass everything, okay? So you're really pulling on those quads. You're really pulling on that core, okay? Keep your feet shoulder width apart and try to land as soft as possible. Land it on your toes and transition right back up into that jump position. All right, so this is your chance to take your break. We're going to do some squat and squat jumps. Next, feet going to be about shoulder width apart. Subscribe to the channel, turn your push notifications. Let's get started. All right, squat to squat jumps, okay? So this is where you're gonna come down into an actual squat, and then you're gonna jump up in the air and come right back into that squat position, okay? So it's gonna really engage the glutes, okay? And also activate those core muscles. So, putting your hands down is gonna keep you balanced in the air, all right? Feet about shoulder width apart. You want them too wide with this workout. Up, down planks, okay? So this one is kind of tough. You always got to switch your arms, but the main concern here is keep that shoulder over your elbows when you're in the low position, and then your shoulder over your wrist when you're in a high position. It's going to be really good for your core. So that's where you're going to feel out the most, but it's also going to, burn those shoulders too as well. So you're trying to lean out your arms. This is great for your triceps and also your shoulders. As you can see, mine are being activated the whole entire way. Lateral squat walks. Lateral lunge and walk. I should have named this the static lateral and squat walk. So here, you're just going to step about 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right, but you're going to hold a low squat position, okay? Now, if you want to make this a little bit easier, come up a little bit higher, but coming up higher is going to engage those quads a lot more. So that's where you're going to feel that burn, okay? You see that I'm going into a side lunge kind of when I'm going into that move too as well. Crab kicks. Come back down. Crab kicks. Crab kicks is going to be awesome for the triceps. So we're supplementing another arm workout. We're trying to take our mind off that arm workout by kicking our legs up. So you want to get your legs almost perpendicular to the ground. Bring those hips up as high as possible too. Make sure you breathe throughout this entire exercise as well. Low plank twist. Okay, so we're gonna go into a low plank. You can do a high plank as well. If you do a high plank, try not to put your hips to the ground, but just twist them over a little bit. Your feet gonna be about 6 to 12 inches apart as long as you have control. Now suck the belly button in, squeeze those glutes, and just start twisting to the side. This is gonna be really good for your core and also for those shoulders too as well. So we're definitely attacking the shoulders a lot with this entire HIIT training. Squat to squat jumps. Okay, so we're rewinding everything over. We're gonna do everything right over again. Okay, so go as fast as possible. You have 20 seconds to get as many reps as possible. So this is the last time you're gonna see this. So jump as high as you can. Get as much air between your toes as possible. Engaging the core, keeping your chest up as high as possible, and also too breathing in as you do the work. Up and down planks. Up down planks. So same concept, we're going to move a little bit faster. Okay, you want to maximize the results. Okay, so we're really going to attack those shoulders. We're really going to attack that core. Okay, so I love planks because they make the workouts fun. There's so many variations of planks that you can do to get your core a lot stronger, and also going to encompass the whole entire core instead of just working on a couple muscles. Lateral squat walks are next. Okay, so we're gonna squat, we're gonna walk ourselves to the left, we're gonna walk ourselves to the right, and we're gonna lunge into that next move. Okay, so we're gonna work the IT band. So this is gonna be really good for runners. So if you like to run, this is gonna be an excellent workout to get your legs in shape and also keep you strong on those long hauls. Crab kicks. Crab kicks are next. All right, so this is gonna again work those arms, where we're gonna kick those legs up as high as possible. Also engage in the hips, so bring those hips up too as well. This is gonna be really good for your core, like I said before. And yeah, it's really gonna test your gangster. So make sure you breathe in with this workout. If you need to take a break, don't. Work through it. You want to be uncomfortable, okay? But if you need a break, go ahead and take that break. Low plank twist. This is probably my favorite core workout, to be honest. You know, it's not easy to do because you do it so many times, but it's fun to do because you know it's working, you know it's burning that core, it's burning those oblique muscles, and also working your shoulders, okay? Which a lot of people skip because shoulders, let's be honest, they're a boring workout. But once you start getting them, start seeing those results, you can thank these twists right here. All right, so there's your 20 seconds right there. Take this time to drink water, beat the heat, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share with your friends. We're gonna start with the front to side lunge next, all right? So let's get ready to get started. Hands on your hips. All right, so the front to side lunge, this is gonna be a technical move. You're gonna start with only one side the whole entire time. Make sure you keep your feet shoulder width apart. You're gonna lunge to the front, then side lunge, getting that IT band. I like to keep my hands on my hips, but you can put your hands down if it helps you with your balance, okay? Make sure you look over the horizon every time you're doing this workout. All right, so we're just gonna switch sides, doing the same exact workout, okay? We don't wanna have one leg that's in better shape than the other. So, like I said, when you come into that front lunge, you're gonna make sure you have a 90-degree angle in both of those legs, okay? When you go into that side lunge, your feet are going to be facing forward. You're gonna dip into that IT band, okay? So we're attacking that IT band a lot with these workouts as well. Breathing every time you do the work. All right, split jumps. This is probably one of my favorite workouts because I feel like it's giving me a break. But it's going to bring your cardio up. So if your heart rate is falling down, this will definitely help pick it up. So you want to get your heart rate to a certain range. Depending on who you are, it's going to help your body burn fat the more efficiently. This is going to help work the entire body, including your shoulders, your chest, your core, your legs, your feet, your calves, everything, including your cardio. Spider-Man push-ups. You've seen this in my last workout video. I did a whole tutorial on how to execute these moves. Okay, this is a fun workout. It's gonna also work not only your tricep a lot, but your chest too as well. You're using that leg, pulling up as high as possible to engage that core. Okay, you don't have to go as low as me. You just gotta get that movement right. As you get more comfortable, then you can start, you know, climbing these walls. Plank pikes. Okay, so this is a fun workout. This is your breather right here, but it's also going to burn those shoulders because we just got done doing the Spider-Man push-ups. Okay, so you're going to bring your head right between your shoulders, bring your glutes up as high as possible, breathing every time you're doing that work. Your feet should be about 6 to 12 inches apart, and that's going to help set the tone for that workout. Keep on knocking it out, keeping your shoulders over your wrists as that start position. Alright, so we start everything over again. This is the last set, so put in all the work that you can. We're going to start with a front side lunge to the left side. Remember, your feet is going to be about a 90-degree angle between both legs when you go into that front lunge. And then you're going to do a nice little lateral lunge after that, hitting that IT band. You're really going to feel this on the outside of your legs, okay? So it's burning right now. Your cardio is up because we just got done doing a lot of stuff. If you need to take a breather, go ahead and take a breather. Remember, with these workouts, you're doing as many reps as you can in those 20 seconds, okay? So don't try to keep up with me if you can't keep up with me. If you can go fast as me, go for it. But, you know, make sure your form is going to be there too at the same time, okay? All right, so like I said before, 90-degree angle in both legs, and also engage that core the whole entire time. That's what my hands are there for, to be honest. It's reminding me to engage my core the whole entire time, because you can get tired with this one. Split jumps, okay? So now that you feel like you're rested, we're gonna bring that cardio up a little bit more with the split jumps. Okay, so feet is gonna be about, you know, 6 to 12 inches apart, probably shoulder width. That's probably the best bet right there. But you're just gonna go as fast as possible, okay? Make sure that you have the nice shoes on. Socks does not work well with this workout if you're working from home. Engage that core, breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, or sing a song, whatever you wanna do. Spider-Man push-ups. Okay, so you're gonna master this because I'm gonna put this in a lot of my workout videos because I want you to master this. If you can't do a push-up, that is perfectly fine. You can do this from your knees too as well. So don't worry about it if you can't do it. If you feel like you want to do the push-up, if you have something stable, you know, leverage yourself, you know, leaning on a couch or something like that, and just bring your knees up. But you will master this. Alright, Pike Planks. Okay, so this is a fun workout. We're going to come a little bit lower. Last time we was on our hands. This time we are on our elbows. So your shoulder's going to be over your elbows. It's going to make it a little bit harder because we're adding more weight to our own self somehow, some magical way. But anyway, same concept is going to apply. You're going to bring your head between your shoulders while busting your head on the ground. Bring your butt up as high as possible. Feet about 6 to 12 inches apart. Work, work, work. Alright, so there you have it, guys, a full body workout. As you can see, it's going to be a burn, so you're going to burn a lot of calories with this workout. So make sure you take the time to bring your water, bring the heat too as well, okay? Make sure you properly hydrate and eat a nutritional meal to help supplement what we're going to do for our training, okay? So new videos out every single week. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications, share this. Let's get the word out. We can make more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.